This video is on robotic knee surgery. A question I'm often asked is the difference between robotic-assisted total knee replacement and standard total knee replacement. When I first speak to a patient regarding robotic-assisted surgery, I introduce the option. Often patients have heard of it, but don't quite know what it means. Essentially entails having a CT scan prior to the operation. From that CT scan, we derive a three-dimensional template of the knee. That template is then uploaded onto a robotic arm, which we use at the time of the surgery to accurately remove the bone from the knee and also help orientate the implants. So it entails a degree of accuracy. I'd like to think I could do a standard knee replacement reasonably well, but probably not as accurate as a robot, which can be accurate within a degree or two. And also it's try and restore the normal alignment of the knee. So particularly in patients who have bowed knees, for example, or maybe knock kneed, the robot really helps us get that absolutely spot on and correct. But also that the ligaments around the knee are also balanced, so the knee, as close as we possibly can, resembles a normal knee and feels more like a normal knee. In terms of outcomes, the accuracy of the technology has been validated, so it is accurate with a degree or two. In addition, the studies in London that suggested that actually patients report less pain. And that for me is quite a significant factor. We know that knee replacements are pretty painful. I do both hip and knee replacements, and certainly knee replacements are more painful. So anything that can help is a good thing. And so this study suggested that that is the case. By restoring the normal alignment, that will also hopefully help with the rehab afterwards, because the rehab can also be pretty tough, and that's in part due to the pain. So in terms of what to expect, in terms of what's different between the two, CT scan prior to the operation, but also there are incisions that are made in addition to the main incision. So a long incision, if you like, over the front of the knee, but also there are two small incisions below the main incision and two small incisions above. From the patient's perspective, that's the only thing that's different. And then afterwards, the rehab and everything else is exactly the same, but those are the two main points.